Let's talk about a really simple function. So the difference between scripts and functions in MATLAB is that a script is just a sequence of commands run in order, and all the variables are accessible. Whereas a function is just a way to kind of put a bunch of commonly repeated uh, calculations or operations into a single box, and then it also kind of acts like a black box in the sense that you drop arguments in the top, and out the side comes variables and that are computed and other actions. So I've got a simple example here to get us started. And let's say you wanted to, instead of using built-in commands, you wanted to say, all right, I have some degrees and I need to convert it to radians. So we have a simple set of comments. Be nice if you guys had better commenting. And then all it does is it takes whatever it gets dropped in this slot here is degree, and it assigns that value to the degrees variable. And so that then down here is multiplied times pi over 180. Let's have good behavior here and put a dot. So then whatever that calculation is, which converts degrees to radians, it's set equal to the variable r, which goes back up to the function and is returned. So let's just run this. So let's save it. So one important thing about naming scripts as opposed to functions is you have to keep the name of the file, which is the function, the same as what it's called. Otherwise, MATLAB will get confused. So notice here the file name is degrees to radians, same as the function name. So we say save. So I'm just going to grab this here. So if I come over here and say degrees to radians, let's say 90, 1.5. So this looks like about half of pi. Let's try 180. Okay, that looks pretty good. So it's returning that value. If I said my result equals degrees to radians 45, then my result has that assignment.